Ingredients you'll need for this recipe are ground pork or beef, garlic, cabbage, soy sauce, ground ginger, whole egg, sriracha sauce, sesame oil, and green onions. Start by browning the pork in a large skillet over medium heat. While the pork is browning, mince the garlic. When the pork is no longer pink, drain off any excess liquid. Add the minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds. Thinly slice or shred the cabbage and add it to the skillet. Top with soy sauce. Sprinkle with the ground ginger. Stir together and sauté until desired tenderness. Make a well in the center of the skillet. Add the egg. Scramble and cook until done. Add the sriracha sauce and stir together. Top with the sesame seed oil. Chop the green onion and sprinkle on top. Serve this egg roll in a bowl and add extra sriracha or soy sauce if desired. Now give it a try. Thanks for watching.